Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with black alloy rims. We have chrome bumpers, chrome running boards, and rear privacy tint. We also have our four-wheel drive and V8 engine. On the interior we have heated and cooled seats, as well as a heated steering wheel and backup camera. Now on to the interior of the Silverado. On our door panel we have our two-tone leather, memory seat option, chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with power mirror folded, and our wooden trim, Bose speaker, and storage underneath. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats with lumbar support. And then left of the steering wheel we have our trailer brake, four-wheel drive and lighting controls, our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel, heated and cooled seat options for driver and passenger. Then we have our infotainment screen with navigation and backup camera. Below that we have our radio and CD player, dual zone climate controls, vehicle controls, and charging outlets. Some storage, more wooden trim, two cup holders, and our padded leather center console lid with wireless charging pad for our phone. Front seats are featured in a gray leather with perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. On the rear view mirror we have OnStar controls, and above that are reading lights and a sunroof. Back onto the exterior we can see our alloy rims, aftermarket. We have our chrome mirror caps and door handles, running boards below, rear privacy tint. Around to the back we have our 4x4 badging, chrome rear bumper with bumper steps and hitch underneath. Then our LTZ and Silverado badging and chrome on the back. And moving inside we have our full-line truck bed. Now onto the rear interior, we can see we have our chrome door handle, window switch, wooden trim, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. Back of the center console area we have our storage and charging outlet. Then the back seats are featured with our fold-down center seat with two cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.